Before proceeding with our topic today, we will begin by reviewing the previous lesson. Let the students identify the given symbol that can be found in a floor plan. Number 1. The answer is double swing. Number 2. The answer is window. Number 3. The answer is curved stairs. Number 4. The answer is sofa. Number 5. The answer is cabinet. Today's lesson will focus on common construction materials, including woodworking, masonry, and construction painting. Unlocking content vocabulary, consumable, an item used during operations requiring frequent replacement. Materials, raw products utilized to construct various objects, such as buildings or structures. Consumable materials, any materials utilized only once, often experiencing wear and tear, and need replacement. Construction sectors require various consumable materials to produce, perform, and finish specific tasks in a workplace. Consumable materials in woodworking. The following are the common consumable materials in woodworking. Wood. Common types of wood. Softwoods, for example, pine, cedar, fir. Lightweight, easy to work with, often used for framing and paneling. Hardwoods, for example, oak, mahogany, teak. Denser, more durable, often used for flooring, furniture, and decorative finishes. Engineered wood, for example, plywood, MDF, laminated timber, manufactured for consistency, strength, and versatility. Another consumable material in woodworking is the nail. A nail is a small, slender piece of metal with a pointed end and a flat head, commonly used in construction and woodworking to fasten materials together. A screw is a type of fastener made of metal, with a helical ridge thread running around its shaft and a slotted or recessed head, designed to be driven into materials by turning with a screwdriver. It is mainly used to join pieces of wood, metal, or other solid materials together. A hinge is a joint consisting of two interconnecting metal plates or other materials joined by a pin or rod. It provides a pivot point so one part can move while the other remains fixed. Roofing materials are essential for protecting buildings from weather. Each material has unique advantages in durability, cost, and appearance, but also trade-offs in maintenance and lifespan. Among the most common roofing materials are kogan, bamboo, nipa, and corrugated galvanized iron roofing. Wood finishing materials. Penetrating wood finish, the finishing material used to penetrate the wood grain. Example: Danish wall, cedar wall. Surface finish, applied on the top of the wood to create a protective layer. Example: shellac, lacquer, varnish, wax, dye, paint. Consumable materials in masonry. The following are the common consumable materials in masonry. 1. Cement. 2. Bricks and concrete hollow blocks. 3. Aggregate. Coarse aggregate and fine aggregate. 4. Rebar reinforcing bar. Cement is a fine, gray powder made primarily from limestone, clay, and other minerals that hardens when mixed with water. It acts as a binder in construction, holding together materials like sand, gravel, and crushed stone to form concrete or mortar. Bricks are small, rectangular blocks made from clay, shale, or concrete, hardened by firing or drying. Used as a building unit for walls, pavements, and other masonry structures. Concrete hollow blocks (CHB). CHBs are large rectangular blocks made of cement, sand, and gravel, with hollow cores inside to reduce weight and improve insulation. Used as a modern alternative to bricks in wall construction. In construction, aggregate refers to coarse and fine granular materials such as sand, gravel, crushed stone, or recycled concrete that are mixed with cement and water to form concrete or mortar. Aggregates provide strength, stability, and volume to building structures. Rebar, short for reinforcing bar, is a steel rod or bar used in construction to strengthen and hold concrete in tension. Consumable materials in construction painting. The following are the common consumable materials in construction painting. Paint is a liquid, paste, or powder material applied to surfaces that dries to form a thin, protective, and decorative coating. It is made of pigment's color, binder holds particles together, solvent keeps it liquid until applied, and additives enhance properties. A paintbrush is a handheld tool with bristles, filaments, or hairs attached to a handle, used to apply paint, varnish, or other coatings to surfaces. It is one of the most basic and essential tools in painting and woodworking. Sandpaper is a type of coated, abrasive material consisting of a sheet of paper or cloth with abrasive particles like aluminum oxide, silicon carbide, or garnet glued to its surface. It is used to smooth, clean, or shape surfaces by rubbing against them. Masking tape is a type of pressure-sensitive adhesive tape made of thin, easy-to-tear paper and a light adhesive. It is designed to temporarily protect or cover surfaces during painting, finishing, or construction work. A drop cloth is a large sheet of fabric, plastic, or paper used to protect floors, furniture, and other surfaces from paint, dust, or debris during construction, painting, or cleaning work. It acts as a protective covering to keep areas clean and free from stains or damage. A brush comb is a small tool designed to clean, maintain, and straighten the bristles of paintbrushes. It usually looks like a comb with metal or plastic teeth, sometimes combined with a scraper edge. A scrub brush is a cleaning tool with stiff bristles attached to a handle, designed to remove dirt, stains, and debris from surfaces through scrubbing action. It is commonly used in household cleaning, construction, and maintenance work. A paint roller is a painting tool consisting of a cylindrical core covered with absorbent material like foam or fabric attached to a handle. It is designed to apply paint quickly and evenly over large, flat surfaces such as walls and ceilings.